In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save on Squarespace in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher on navigating Squarespace's platform, this guide is designed to help you save your work effortlessly as you spruce up your website. First things first, head over to the Squarespace website. It's the starting point of our journey today. Once you're there, you'll notice the option to log in. Go ahead and click on Login to proceed. Squarespace offers several methods to log in, but for simplicity and ease, we're going to use the Continue with Google option. This is a quick way to log in without having to remember another password, assuming you already have a Google account. Once you select to continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose which of your Google accounts you'd like to use. Click on the relevant Google account that's associated with or that you want to use for your Squarespace account. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your website. You can go to your site directly by clicking on this link to your website. This will take you to the main dashboard of your specific Squarespace site. With your website dashboard in view, the next step is to dive into editing mode. To do this, click on the Edit button. This will transition you to the back end of your website where all the magic happens. You'll be able to see your site as a canvas ready for your creative updates. Once you're in edit mode, it's time to make those changes you've been thinking about. Whether it's updating text, changing photos, or adjusting the layout, now's your chance. Don't hold back, make your website truly your own. After you've made your desired changes, one crucial step remains: saving your work. Look for the Save button located at the top left corner of your screen. It might seem like a small thing, but it's essentially what makes all your hard work stick. Make sure to click it once you're satisfied with the updates you've made. Remember, regularly saving your work ensures that none of your efforts go to waste. Squarespace is fairly intuitive, but like any platform, unexpected glitches can happen. Saving often is a good habit to get into to avoid any frustration, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated logging in, editing, and saving changes on Squarespace. These steps, while simple, are the bedrock of maintaining and updating your website. It's through these incremental changes that you can ensure your site remains fresh, functional, and engaging for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to experiment with Squarespace's wide array of tools and features to make your website stand out. Until next time, happy editing. Time